Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kevin. I'm going to explain how to use this tool, which is related with the objective that I want to reach in my mini lesson plan. My objective is students will be able to accurately apply the pronunciation rules for ED endings in the speaking exercise, such as repeating sentence from speakometer with a focus on correct pronunciation. Well, I selected this application because that issue that I already selected is pronunciation, and to be specific, the pronunciation of the verbs in past with ending ed. Okay, and this application has many features that you can use if you want to enhance your or improve your if you want to improve your speaking skill, right? In this case, we are going to start with a practice. Click on the start button and you are going to see different courses, and those some of them are for free, and those are like a list of words that you can practice and repeat and record your voice and see if you are pronouncing in a proper way. The other one are on our blog. While you are practicing the free courses, the other one are gonna be unblocked. Okay, the second one feature is it's related with sound, that the sound of different symbols, and the first one are short vowel sounds. The other one are long vowel sounds and diphthongs. Here you can select, for example, a sound, and the application is going to provide you an example, a word that you can find this specific sound inside a word. Excellent. And the feature of this application that I want to recommend you for reaching the objective of my lesson plan is this. Here you can write the word in past. For example, word. You select that word, and here we have American pronunciation and British pronunciation. In this case, we're going to use American pronunciation, and select the speakometer that you have here. The application plays the proper pronunciation of that word. After listening the proper pronunciation, you are going to record your voice to see if you are pronouncing in a proper manner. The application is going to provide you immediate feedback, right? Worked. You can see I pronounced that word very good. The application provides or give you immediate feedback and also a comment, right? When you have mispronounced word or a sound, the application provides you word, highlighting the specific sound in red. Okay, and the last one is the settings. You can change your native language. In my case, it's Spanish, but you can change it, and you can show translation, but I don't recommend translate words. And so far is all that I can tell you about this tool that I'm using. I'm using this tool to enhance this application enhance pronunciation, but I'm using this to improve pronunciation, right? In this case, to pronounce verbs with ed at the end in a proper way. Thank you for your attention.